guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushbu and if you're new here then please don't forget to subscribe. So in my today's video, as you guys must have read by the title, I am doing my Instagram followers control my day. I know there are many videos out there, many people have done it, but I have never tried it and it sounds fun to me. So basically someone else controls my day. So yeah, I have just gotten up, मैं fresh हो गई. Now I am having my coffee and I have chose two outfits for my gym. Coffee के बाद मैं directly gym जा रही हूँ. So I am going to be posting two outfits on my Instagram now and let you guys choose कि मैं कौन सा outfit आज gym पे पहन के जाऊँ. So that is the first thing that I'm gonna do today. और वैसे ही सारे ऐसे मैं posts डालती रहूँगी बीच बीच में like all my day. So yeah, it will be fun. Let's see how it will go. So it has been more than 10 minutes since I posted my first poll जिसमें मैं पूछ रही थी मैं जिम पे क्या पहन के जाऊँ and many of you like 60% of the people voted for outfit A which was black t-shirt and grey bottoms. So I am wearing that to the gym now but I don't feel like coming out of this comfortable night dress. It's so airy and breathable and so comfortable that I don't want to come out of this, but yeah, I have to go to the gym and I need to change, so I'll catch you guys up later. So this is the outfit that you guys voted for and I'm off to the gym and see you guys later. So I am back from a gym and way too tired and sweaty. So I'll take a shower now. Till then I'll post two stories asking you guys what should I wear after shower. Like should I get ready, wear jeans or something or stay in my PJs. I hope PJ wins because I have nowhere to go. मैं पूरा दिन घर पे ही हूँ, so there is no logic of wearing like a day outfit. I hope PJ wins, but let's see what you guys choose. And another one will be I'll be asking you guys what should I eat for my breakfast. मैं अभी जिम करके आई, so I'll have something like protein. So it will be eggs or my protein shake. I hope you choose protein shake because I don't feel like eating eggs. I don't feel like eating anything. I'll prefer drinking something. So I hope protein shake and PJ wins. But let's see what you choose. So I am done taking bath and I'll quickly do my skincare and get into something comfortable. Most of you guys voted for comfortable clothes, which I'm really happy about. So I'm just going to do my skincare. So I'm using this Revitalift L'Oreal 1.5% hyaluronic serum and I have been using it from such a long time. So there is a full like proper review video coming soon on this product because this product is very hyped and I actually like this product. So I'll do my skincare and make eggs just when I thought कि poll मेरे favor में चल रहा है. But no, you guys chose to have eggs, which I don't feel like eating. But yeah, if you chose it, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, खुल नहीं रहा है मेरा moisturizer. Yeah. Time to get into something comfortable and I'm gonna show you a few night dress options that I recently got from Clovia. And I'm gonna do a mini haul of the Clovia night dresses that I got recently. जो मैंने vlog start करने के पहले भी पहनी थी night dress when I woke up was from Clovia and the comfortable dress that I'm getting into is also from Clovia. So I'm gonna show you that quickly. So this is the comfortable shirt I was talking about. This one is from Clovia and it's so comfortable and airy, so breathable and it has pockets which I really like. Now I'm gonna go and make eggs which I don't feel like eating but you chose it, so I'm gonna make it. And till then I'm going to post a story asking you guys that should I do like a glam makeup or everyday makeup, and I hope you choose everyday makeup because you know I am not going anywhere, so everyday makeup will be perfect for today. And I am doing makeup just to feel energetic, just to feel confident. I know I'm not going anywhere out but I still like doing makeup, right, even sitting at home. So yeah, I am going to post a story asking you that now. So I just finished eating eggs. Now I am going to get ready a little bit, like I'm gonna do very light makeup, and I am happy that you chose everyday makeup look, which is working in my favor. So I'm gonna do like a very regular and light makeup, just my usual. So I am done with my makeup, and now I'm going to show you the night dresses that I bought from Clovia, and they are super comfortable, and it is going to be a try on mini haul. So yeah, let's go. So let's start with the Clovia mini haul. So first one is this shirt. It's a shirt dress, night shirt dress, and it's very comfortable, and I'll be attaching a clip over here of me trying out all these night dresses. So first one is this one. आपने मेरी last clip में भी देखा होगा. So the next one is this cute pair. This is a shirt, and I have a matching shorts with these. So ये मैंने वीडियो के बिगिनिंग में पहने थे. वीडियो जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, जब मैं उठी थी, so I was wearing this night dress. And the next one that I have is this one. It's a unicorn printed nightgown. It's so comfortable and airy, and it's like a short knee length type of gown, and I really like it. It's so cute, and unicorn print all over, and purple, so cute. And the last one that I have is a full pajama set. So it is a shirt. Aisa. This is a shirt. I hope you can see it. And I have a matching pajama with the shirt. It's so cute. So these night dresses are so comfortable and so airy. The material is so nice and soft and so like cozy. I really like the stuff that I got from Clovia. And if you want to buy these cute night dresses, or maybe anything like innerwear, gym wear, night dresses, anything you want, you can go on their website clovia.com, and also you can use my coupon code, which is little glitter. I'll be writing the coupon code onto the screen and also in the description box in case you want to check that out, so you can get like extra discount on your purchase, and you can use my coupon code along with the offers that are running on their website or on their app. आप दो कूपन कोड साथ में यूज कर सकते हो जो उनका ऑफर रहेगा ऑलरेडी, एंड ऑल्सो माई कूपन कोड फॉर द एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट. So go on their website, check their app out if you want cute night dresses like I have gotten for myself, or innerwears or gym wear. You can definitely go and check their website out or the app out, and don't forget to use my coupon code for the extra discount. So I just finished shooting for one video, and I'm thinking whether I should start editing that video or I should put on some Netflix and just chill for some time or take a nap. So I'll be asking you guys whether I should edit a video or I should just chill, watch Netflix or take a nap. So let's see what you guys choose. So I just posted a poll asking you guys what should I make for dinner, chicken masala or chicken patty. I was hoping chicken patty will win, and I know how to make chicken patty. मैंने काफ़ी बार बनाई है, but chicken masala I have tried एक दो बार, but वो कभी मुझसे अच्छी से बना नहीं है. So now I'm going to Google a recipe for chicken masala and then try making it. But yeah, that is going to be too much mehnat for me. Chicken patty is very easy to make. You chose chicken masala. 80% of you voted for chicken masala, so I'm gonna try it. Let's see. So I just posted one last poll on Instagram asking you guys which nightwear should I wear, and I don't mind आप कोई भी choose करो. Both are super cute, both are from Clovia, both are very comfortable, so I don't mind. And till then I'll just get freshen up, I'll wash my face, get my makeup off, and get into my comfortable nightwear. So I'm in my cute night dress now, and I made myself chicken masala, and I'll have my dinner and go to bed, and I'll be ending my video here. It was difficult for me to shoot, but it was fun, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. And do comment and tell me if you want me to do more such videos or more such challenges. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.